Hello and welcome for another interesting video. And in this video, we are going to see exactly how you can change lane. As you know, lane changing is one of the important part for your driving test. You should do carefully changing all the lanes. Whenever you are planning to change lanes, then you should do in this way. So I'm going to show you exactly how you should do in your lane changes in driving. So just wait and watch. When I plan to change lane, I'll tell you in advance where I should change lane and how I can change lanes. So I'm going to take left here. So there are oncoming vehicles. So in this type of road, you should not try to change lane unless something is there. For example, construction is going on or traffic demands. So never ever change lane in this type of road. For example, here there is a bus lane in the left side and the right side at the car or all the other vehicles lane. So unless it is necessary, then you should not change lane. So in the next traffic light, I am planning to take left turn and then I can show you the lane changes. So that road, it is a major road, and then the speed limit is 60 km/h. And I can show you what are the precautions for lane changes, what you should look, what are the safety measures you should take care of before changing the lanes. Now, here one thing, I'm planning to change lane now for checking in the left mirror, rear mirror, and then blind spot, and then indicate. And also here, I'm planning to take left turn. So this type of road, when there is a bus road and also car road, but when you are planning to take left, you have to change lanes, and until you see the bus sign is up, then only on that part only you should plan for your lane change. Now it is coming to the major road, 60 km/h speed limit, planning to go left. Wait for your turn. Okay, now it is free. So going to take a right turn. Here 60 km/h speed. There is a car behind me in this left lane. I cannot change lane because it is very close. I can see in the mirror, rear mirror, and the left side wing mirror. Now it is a bit far, then I can plan, change, so it is safe. Now I check, indicate, and then check the blind spot, and then change lane safely. You have to scan 3 things: front side, back side, and the side which you are changing the lane. So if you are changing to the left side, left lane, you have to see left mirror and then also blind spot. Check 2 times blind spot. Never ever indicate before planning the lane change. So whenever you plan early, check on the mirrors, check the safe distance. If there are vehicles in the safe distance, then only you can change. So observe it very carefully. I need to go a little bit slower because I need to allow that front car to go, because there is a construction site. So now there is not possible to change lane here, but after this one I can change. Here you don't have to worry about to check all the safety things, because it is the first one you can change the lane here. Just indicate and then change lane. And after this one, it is the still 60 km/h limit. So I can see there are cars coming really fast, and then the other lane is free. Now I can check, safety check. Don't go slow. Check blind spot, then start indicating. Check blind spot, then go. Now never ever exceed from the speed limit. So from this roundabout, I'm coming back through a U-turn. So I'm indicating left, enter to the inner lane, and then change lane there inside roundabout before the third exit. So in between third and fourth exit, I'll change to right side of the lane and do the all safety measures, to check all the safety measures, and then okay, now it's free to enter. Now enter first exit, second exit, and then here I can change the lane, check everything. Yes. Don't go slow. Now I can see there are cars behind in this lane, but there are left lane. It's okay to change the lane. If you go to plan to the left side, then plan and change. Indicate, and then never ever forget to. Also, I can check this. Go to the left lane. So in this way, you should change the lane. Plan. Changing lanes, it's more about planning. And you have to control your speed, check on the mirrors. Now it is the protected left turn. So you don't have to worry about this. When it is green, then you can go. But the crucial thing in lane changing, for example, if you are changing lanes, it depending on the speed. So how far the front car or how far the following car, it should be there before changing your lanes. It is depending on the speed limit. So if it is 60 km/h speed, then you need to see You need to see or observe how far it should be there and then try to change lanes. Now right lane, it's going straight, but left lane, it's merging. This is a kind of road, this is garage. It looks like 2 cars can fit, but it is not. It is a single lane road, but there are bit wider. And here you should not try to change any lane. Planning to go right from here. Check on the side. Now I'll take a L turn to go back. Now I'll go and join to the same 60 kilometer per hour speed road, major road, and then I'll show you again that lane changing. So watch it carefully. Probably this is one video is enough for you to learn how to change lane. And if you have any question regarding lane changes, just write in the comment section. So here, I'm planning to go left now. So this is the 1 lane. Now it is bifurcated into the 3 lane. So I'm going to take left, hence I just indicate left. Then go with a still green light. This is one of the things. While the unprotected left turn, you have to be really careful. So now I'm planning to change lane. Now I can observe, scan on the mirrors. I'm planning to go to the left lane. So there is no cars in the left side. There are cars behind this lane, but this is very far. So it is safe to change lanes. So I can see the blind spot, and then I start indicating left. Indicate left and again check the blind spot and then whoop. So in this way you should change lane. Now I'm planning to go to take the left on here. So indicate early and then change lane here. And wait for your turn to get the traffic light green. So never get hurry to change lanes. If in your driving test examiner is saying that you can change lane, or examiner may not tell you that to change the lane, but tell you that to go to certain direction, and for to go to that some places, then you need to change lane. And in that situation, you have to really plan well. So changing lane is one of the most crucial thing and also one of the most dangerous thing for the driving test to pass. So if you do not do properly, if you don't know, or if you are not conceptually clear how to make a proper lane change, then definitely you are going to fail. So to pass your driving test, you must practice the lane changes in a good way, in a safe manner. Safety is one of the most priority in the driving test. So you should look more towards outside of the car, not inside, and try to look far. I hope this video is interesting for you, and then you probably get some value out of this. And I wish you all the best for your driving test, at least those who are taking their driving test in Sweden or Swedish driving test or any European country. If you are looking this video, it is probably the similar driving style also in USA. If you are taking the driving so if you like this video, then just hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to get more of these videos. And if you have any question or concern, write into the comment section. So this is all about lane changing. Nikati